It's time for bookkeeping, beer, and BS.
I didn't think like to Derek's role in the business. I just had this mindset for a long time of like, when you're running the business, you're in the office, you're out selling, like you get out of the field. And I actually had a who's now our general manager of our Cleveland business. We promoted her to be general manager of the location. And so she's basically the owner, like she's running the whole damn thing and making all the decisions and leadership and all the stuff. And we moved her into the office. And like 6 months later, she messaged me to resign. It was just like, I'm not, like I thought I could do this, but I can't do this. And I was like, well, is it, you can't check phones and emails and like focus on growing the business that way? Or is it you can't like lead a location because there's kind of two different things going on? She's like, oh, like I love the people, I love the business, I love the culture, I love everything about us, but like that phone rings or an email drops and I just get the most anxious. Like I just want to go out and clean stuff. And I was like, is there any reason you can't lead our company while you're out cleaning stuff? And she's like, no, like I can do that. And it was like it just totally mindset changed of like, there's just going to be people that can delegate all the other things, right? Like she hired an office manager. The business isn't big enough that it needs a full-time office manager, but she's like, I know this person, I've worked with them before. Like they want half-time hours, right? So we hired a half-time office manager, and they're crushing it because that's what they love to do. And they get to kind of work on their terms. And then she's crushing it because she gets to be out in the field with her operations team all day. And it's like, there's no, perfect size shoe or one size fits all type of thing. You kind of build the business. You don't want to have to build a business around the people, but it always kind of blows my mind how everybody has like their own sweet spot and their own skill set and how they can apply it and still get all the same stuff done. They can be here, they can be there. I can be sitting here with this sweet bar behind me, and not everybody can do bookkeeping and finance and drink all this stuff all day. It's just not everybody can do that. Kirsten can, but other than that, not everybody else can do that.
And I think I did leave out probably one of the most important things that happened going into this year was, I'm the type of person that like my weaknesses, I pay them like very little attention. If I'm not good at it, I don't put any energy towards it. And that initially that was like on accident, kind of just being lazy. But I found that as long as I can spend all of my time doing the things that I'm good at, that's efficient. And as soon as we kind of got into our slow months over the winter time, we had decided that Kirsten was just going to take over basically all of the administrative side, free me up. And, don't have to answer phones, don't have to do emails. We built out some responsive systems where she can do all of like our window cleaning at this point is ran completely through her in the office. I don't have to really do anything with it other than, make sure that our marketing is on point, make sure our sales are where they need to be, and adjust prices accordingly. Having the ability to have, step out of that office and really not have to waste my energy on that. And she's, 10 times better than I would ever be at that. We're very fortunate to be in a point where we have our strengths and everybody's working in their strengths. And now we can just build a business around that. And, like I said before, it's not a circumstance that a lot of people can be in. We just are very fortunate that, we have the group of us now, and we were able to, catch that early enough where, hey, let's just do what we're good at and try to grow it from there.
Yeah. You have a nice trifecta.